Hello everyone and welcome to Pratham Reviews after a break. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I would be reviewing the Hotstar original series November Story. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and watch this video till the end. November Story, starring Tamanna, is a thriller series directed by Indra Subramanian. It is streaming on Hotstar in multiple languages including Hindi, so you don't have to rely on reading subtitles to enjoy this one. November Story has 7 episodes of 30 to 35 minutes length, barring the first and the last episodes, which is around 50 minutes. To tell you the truth, I wasn't aware of the show and only saw it after a friend recommended it to me. I watched this show with minimal expectations and much skepticism. So let's find out how did it turn out to be. The show starts with the scene of a bus accident on 16 November 1995, where among the corpses we see a little girl who appears to be the only survivor of the accident. Cut to the present date, where Tamanna plays the role of Anuradha, a software professional from Chennai who is working on a project to digitize police records with her friend Malar. Anuradha is trying to sell her old house in an attempt to collect money for her father's treatment. Her father Ganesan is a famous crime novelist who is suffering from Alzheimer's. Ganesan does not want to sell his house and keeps turning down prospects. Due to his condition, Ganesan keeps forgetting things and is currently working on his last novel. He seldom hallucinates, talking to an empty chair as if speaking to a person named Kuzandai. On 16 November, a hacker tries to access police records, putting Malar and Anuradha's project in jeopardy. On the same night, a murder happens in Anuradha's old house, where she finds Ganesan sitting unconscious near the body. And considering Ganesan's condition, it becomes difficult to understand who committed the murder, while Anuradha clearly believes that Ganesan is innocent. Yesu, a retired post-mortem doctor, helps the police in deducing that the person who committed the murders is of unsound mind, bringing the suspicion back to Ganesan. Would Anuradha succeed in saving her father? Who committed the murders and why? And what is the significance of 16 November? To find answer to these questions and many more, you would have to watch the show. There is a lot going on. You have a trio of medical students from Hyderabad who are suspects of rape and murder and now hiding in Chennai. Then there is a backstory of an orphan boy and his aspirations. I wouldn't get much into the details of these tracks as it would lead to spoilers. The show is densely packed with such subplots where you are continuously guessing who are these characters and how are they linked to each other and the murders. The pace of the show is perfect for a crime thriller. There is never a dull moment and the writers make sure that you are on the edge of your seats trying to catch up with what is happening on the screen. The only flaw according to me is the creative liberty taken by the writers, where there is no reason for the timing of certain incidents except for them being mere coincidences. We as audience are trying to link these incidents too, as enough stress was given on them. Clearly, the writers were trying to confuse us further. Of the cast, leading from the front, Tamanna was exceptional in her portrayal of a cornered but strong woman who is not ready to give up. The same can be said of the ensemble cast, whose work I haven't seen prior to this series, especially the characters playing the role of Yesu, Ganesan and Inspector Sudalai. The show works because of their impeccable and natural performances. Of the 7 episodes, the first 6 were brilliant, with perfect pace and newer twists, while simultaneously revealing the details little by little. And after such an amazing setup, there was a lot of expectations from the last episode, but it turns out to be underwhelming. A lot of the plot reveals do not happen as impactfully as one would have expected, and towards the end, the final episode seems a bit stretched. Make no mistake, it is not bad, but it could have been much better. All in all, it is a brilliant show that I would definitely recommend. It is ideal for binge watching. I would give this show a rating of 3.5 stars. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. I will be back soon with another review, another recommendation. Until then, take care, stay safe. This is Prathamesh signing off.